Welcome to our YouTube channel. What is hydraulic injection molding machine? A hydraulic injection molding machine is a type of plastic injection molding machine that uses hydraulic pressure and fluid to power the injection process. It consists of a hydraulic system, injection unit, mold clamping unit, and control unit. The hydraulic system in the machine generates high-pressure fluid which is used to operate the injection unit and mold clamping unit. The injection unit melts and injects the plastic material into the mold cavity while the mold clamping unit holds the mold closed during the injection process. The control unit of the machine is responsible for managing the machine's operation and controlling the injection process parameters, such as temperature, pressure, and time. Hydraulic injection molding machines are known for their high production rates, precision, and ability to process a wide range of materials. However, they also have some disadvantages, including higher maintenance costs and energy consumption compared to other types of injection molding machines. With recent advancements in technology, some manufacturers are transitioning to electric injection molding machines, which offer advantages such as lower energy consumption, quieter operation, and faster response times. Hydraulic injection molding machines consist of several key components and equipment, including hydraulic system. This includes a hydraulic pump, hydraulic fluid reservoir, valves, and hoses. The hydraulic system generates high-pressure fluid to power the injection and clamping units. Injection unit. The injection unit consists of the screw, barrel, and nozzle. It is responsible for melting and injecting the plastic material into the mold cavity. Mold clamping unit. The mold clamping unit holds the mold closed during the injection process. It includes the mold plates, mold clamping mechanism, and ejector system. Control unit. The control unit manages the machine's operation and controls the injection process parameters, such as temperature, pressure, and time. Hopper. The hopper is a container that holds the plastic material and feeds it into the injection unit. Heating and cooling systems. The heating system is responsible for melting the plastic material while the cooling system is used to cool the mold and solidify the plastic material. Safety equipment. This includes safety guards, emergency stop buttons, and safety interlocks to ensure safe operation of the machine. Robotics and automation equipment. Some hydraulic injection molding machines may be equipped with robotics and automation equipment to facilitate material handling, part removal, and other tasks. Auxiliary equipment. This includes equipment such as material dryers, granulators, and conveyors that may be used to support the injection molding process. Thanks for watching.